In this part, I'm going to talk about multidimensional arrays. So if you do not know what an array in PHP is, please go and have a look at the presentation that I have on arrays. And from there, you can come back to this presentation and watch it. Basically, if you have an array, it will look like something like this. So you have values, John, Mary, and Bob, and you have the keys 1, 2, and 3. What if I want to give a multiple values and multiple levels of arrays for that? It's very simple to do it in PHP. You can just start writing by doing this. Multi-array equal to array. Now to build a tree. So for example, we have A, and then we give equal to and the greater sign. The A is the key and the value. And now we can introduce another array where we can give first name, as John, and you can give last name as Reed. So we just format it a little bit, look like this. This bracket corresponds to this bracket and this bracket corresponds to this bracket. Just put a semicolon so that it is syntactically correct. Now to add another row, you can just add B. Same thing. Then again the first name, I'll just copy it from here. So I just format it again. You can see that they have been neatly aligned in my editor. This is the first level of array, which is this one, and the keys and the associated values. The values here are arrays themselves. Inside that array is the key and the value. This is how you define a multi-dimensional array in PHP. So if you want to access, for example, the A and the first name, if you want to find out the value and reach the value John, how do you go about is very simple. You can go and echo the first key is A. Just type in A between two quotes, between two square brackets, and then open another square bracket because you're traveling from A down to first name, and type in first name. If we run this, we should get a value output as John. Let us check it out. So as you can see, the value is John. If you want to access the last name, just go once again the same way. Between the double quotes, use the first key and use first name. Be very careful about the names of the keys. So as you can see, the first name of under the key, which is Mary, has been retrieved. You want to retrieve the last name, you can do it like just change it to the last name. So that's how we define the multidimensional array in a PHP concept. So that's how we define a multidimensional array in PHP.